Hello guys, how are you? I'm doing very fine. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. So today we are focusing on a new topic which is called percentage increase. Okay, it's very common in our day-to-day lives. It involves money, increase in prices. Okay, so let me give you a real-life situation so that at least you can have a background of what we are going to be doing. So let us say we are in summer and the jersey is going for 20 US dollars. You know that in summer prices are lower in terms of winter clothes. Okay, a jersey is cheaper in summer than in winter. So let us say in summer a jersey is going for $20, right? But as we are approaching winter, you notice that the price of a jersey it goes up maybe from $20 to maybe $35, etc. So there is an increase in the price. Okay, so we can then calculate by how much percentage the jersey has increased. Okay, so this is what we are going to be focusing on. It involves consumables like food as well. You notice that sometimes the prices of food has gone up. So many reasons. Okay, it could be demand or anything else. So basically, this is what we are going to be focusing on. So in front of me, I have some information which we are going to look at together. Okay, so percentage increase. Okay, percentage increase is equal to increment divided by original price times 100. Increment, another name for increment is called increase. Another name for increment is called increase. So how do we know the increase? So the increase or increment is new price minus original price. Okay? I have an example here. The price of a television increased from $800 to $1,000. What was the percentage increase? We want to know by how much, in terms of percentage, the television increased. Okay, in terms of its amount. Okay, so we need to know the original price. The original price is $800. So in place of original price, we put $800. Okay, we also need to know the increment, which is also known as increase. And how do we calculate increase? We use this formula. Increase is new price minus original price. So we calculate the new price is $1,000. We put it here. Or minus original price, which is 800, we put it there. We get our increase is 200. Okay, so that is our increase. We go back to our formula. Percentage increase is equal to increment over original price times 100%. So in place of these words, we put the values. So increment, which is also called increase, is 200. The original price, 800. Multiplied by 100, you get 25%. So we move on to the next example. Hello guys, how are you doing? We are doing percentage increase. So I've got an example with me in front and we are going to do it together. Okay, so let's say you're a business person. You are into business, you're into buying and selling. If you buy a car for maybe 20,000 US dollars, you cannot sell it for the same amount. You have to put a percentage so that at least you can gain profit. So the moment you put a percentage, there's going to be an increase in the amount. Okay, so basically this is what these business people do. So I have an example in relation to that, and we are going to do it together. So the price of a car was $1,600. The price was increased by 15%. How much does the car cost after the price increase? We want to know the new price. We know the percentage increase, that the amount was increased by 15%. So the car is no longer 1,600, it's now at a higher price. So we want to know the new value. Okay, so what we need to know is that we need to know that new price is equal to original price plus increase. Okay, but we are given percentage increase, we are not given increase. We are given percentage increase, so we need to know the increase. Okay, so the increase, how do we calculate the increase? The increase is percentage increase over 100 times original price. Okay, so Percentage increase we are given is 15, I put 15 on top. The 100 I put it under. Times the original price. The price is 1,600. If I do my calculation, I will get $240. That is the increase. Another name for increase is increment. So for me now to find the new price, I then have to say new price is equal to original price plus increase. My original price is 1,600 plus the increase I got is 240. If I add the two, the value is 1,840. That is how you calculate the new price. Hello guys, how are you? I'm doing very fine. So we are focusing on percentage increase. And sometimes if you are given a question, one formula might not work. So there are so many formulas you need to also take into consideration. So I've put a list of the formulas you can work with. Okay, so new price is equal to original price plus increase. It depends with what you are given. If you are given original price and you are given increase and they say calculate new price, you can use this formula, it works. Okay, increase or increment is equal to new price minus original price. Okay, original price is equal to new price minus increase. It's another formula. If they say calculate original price, you can use this formula. However, in some cases this formula might not work, then you might need to use this one. Original price is equal to increment over percentage increase times 100. Okay, then if they say find original price, this formula is a bit broad, but in cases where other formulas are not working, you might need to use this one. It's equal to new price over 1 plus percentage increase over 100. So what you need to do is you need to first make this one into a fraction, then add it to this number 1, then you divide this number by the one you get below. Okay, then another one, new price is equal to percentage increase times original price, then the answer you get, you add it to original price. So that is the formula for new price. So this is a list of the formulas you must play around with. It depends with the question. This one might work, or maybe you might need to use another one. If this one does not work, maybe you might need to use this one. So please take note of that, it's very important. Okay.